Hi guys, I'm Zach Sajak from Colton RV and Marine. Today I'm standing in front of the 2026 Forest River Unmapped 24RK. New brand to our pod. Comes with a lot of good fit, finishes, and features. Starting off with, we have our two entries with solid steps. So that way you have an entry right to the bedroom and an entrance right to the living area. Comes standard with 400 watts of solar as well as Goodyear tires. And they also came out with this little outdoor bar, super nice. Comes with two seats here, a window from the inside to outside if you have to hand stuff in and out. Makes camping super easy, especially right next to your outdoor kitchen. Have a little prep table and a cold water, hot water outside spray port, which is something we're always looking for. Clean off the dog, clean off your utensils, stuff like that. We do have the prep on it for the rear ladder, prep for a backup camera. Does have a hitch on it as well for your bike racks, kayak racks, stuff like that, and a spare tire. Let's go take a look on the inside. So walking into this R-Pod has a lot of features. One of the most popular features on the R-Pod is the central vacuum system. It does come with the hoses, and you can also sweep in. Super nice feature this has as well. Different setup. It's the bar to table. So you kind of have a bar set up here. If you want a more traditional dinette, you can just move these stools out of your way. Fold this up. Very simple. And now you have a dinette. You can also tuck it away. As you'll see as well, bunch of counter space throughout for prep stations, potlucks, all the stuff we love to do while we're camping. Have a 12-volt TV. Pretty good sized fridge and freezer here. We do have this one option with theater seating. You walk through the nice spacious bathroom. And then we also have a king bed in here as well. And also, instead of, cabinets above the top, they do provide a bunch of storage with these baskets. Put all your blankets, sweatshirts, clothes, and you also have your wardrobes as well. And a nice big front window to look outdoors. The 24RK is under 6,000 pounds dry and under 29 feet in length to make it pretty maneuverable to get in and out of those campgrounds. Any further questions on this great model, give me a call, 716-694-0188, extension 406.